Cycloid is a curve formed by tracing a point on a smaller circle as it rolls along the outside of a larger fixed circle. So we have been given a question here. A circle of 40mm diameter rolls on the outer circumference of another circle of 120mm diameter. Trace the locus of the point on the circumference of rolling circle for one complete revolution. So what we are going to be doing first, we are going to be picking the larger diameter, which is the 120mm diameter. So we are going to pick radius of 60mm on our compass. So when we pick that, we are going to be placing it at any convenient point of ours on our drawing paper, and we are going to be drawing a very beautiful curve. So from that particular point that we have drawn our curve, we are going to pick that point and just draw a very thin line. So from there, we are going to be picking angle 30 degree from that point. So from that point, we are going to be picking angle 30 degree. So we will extend the line a little bit outside of the circle. It can actually be any degree angle depending on your choice, but for this video we are going to be picking 30-degree angle. So now we have been given the smaller diameter to be 40mm. So I'm going to be picking 20mm radius on my compass. So I've picked 20mm radius on my compass. So I'm going to be picking it like this. So I'll draw my smaller circle like this. Like this. So now what we are going to be doing is we are going to be dividing this particular circle into 12 equal parts. So it's going to go like this. Like this. So like this. So now that we are done with dividing the circle into 12 equal parts, we are going to be labeling it. Let's label it first. So this is going to be our point 0/12. This is going to be our point 1, point 2, and point 11. So now we are going to pick from point 1 and 2. You can actually pick any other point, but I'm going to be using point 1 and 2 in this video. So I'll pick my point 1 and 2. So you place it at this point 0 and mark 12 different curve. This 2, this 3, 11, and 12. So that's point 12. So from this our point, we are going to be projecting straight line passing through all those points. That is this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are going to be picking from here. We are going to project a straight line passing through here like this, then from here like this also, straight line passing through. And we are now going to pick our compass from this point. We are going to be drawing an arc from each of these points. From our point 1, we draw our curve, place it at point 2 also, our curve, place it at point 3, we place it at the center also, this center. I'm going to be thickening out the center on more than the others because we are still going to be making use of that center on later. So we put it at point 4 also, then point 5, and then the last point, which is point 6. So now that we are done with drawing our curves, we are going to be picking our compasses and we are going to be picking the radius, the exact radius of our smaller circle, that's the rolling circle to be precise. So we are going to label this place first as point C1, this place is C2, this C3, C11 and C12. So placing it at point C1, we are going to be marking the place at which this number one line, that is this one first curve, we are going to be marking this point. So that is our first point, that's our P1, that's our first point of the epicycloid. We are going to also place it at C2 using the same radius of the rolling circle, that's this smaller circle. We can see the place at which point 2 is passing. We'll mark our point there. So this is our P2. I will place it at C3 also. Then you can see the point at which the third, so this is our P3. We place it at the C4. You can see this particular line here, so this is going to be our P4. Then we place it at C5, this fifth particular curve here, so this is going to be our P5. Then we place it at C6, so it's actually going to be at the middle, so this is our P6. This C7 also, this is line 7, so it's going to be this third particular place, so this is P7. I'll place it at C8, so this is the 8th part, so like this is our P8. Then we'll place it at C9 using the same diameter of the same radius of our rolling circle, so this is our P point P9. We place it at C10, marking this curve, so this is P10. If you are finding value in this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to get more of these videos, and also share with your friends. So this is our P11. We'll place it at P11, and this is the C12, which is going to be this particular place, so it's going to be here. So this is our point 12. So from here, which is here, so this is our point. So now we are going to be drawing our epicycloid curve. We are going to be picking our French curve. So from this point, we'll draw like this. So we are actually drawing out our epicycloid. So like this. So this is our epicycloid, this is our rolling cycle, this is our rolling cycle, this is our epicycloid, directing circle. So thanks for watching.